Are you an owner, user, or investor seeking an office, R&D, or industrial property located in the Fremont Warm Springs Innovation District? The Ivy Group is pleased to present for sale an approximate 17,328 square feet, two-story property that is situated on an approximate 29,621 square feet lot. Zoned industrial tech, the property was built in 1986 and perfectly suited for electronics manufacturing and R&D users. It features 2 grade-level roll-up doors, approximately 8 feet dropped ceilings, and water gas lines that run throughout the property. The property has 6 separate electric meters and is served with 1,100 amps at 220/480 volts, 3-phase. The property is located at the corner of Brown Road and Hotchkiss Street. It is surrounded by numerous restaurants, hotels, and convenient amenities. With easy access to Highway 680 and 880, the property is walking distance to the Fremont Warm Springs BART station and bus stops. It is also conveniently located near 3 major international airports: San Jose Mineta Airport, Oakland International Airport, and San Francisco International Airport. The Fremont is home to more than 900 high-technology companies and is ranked #1 for technology startups per capita in the country according to SizeUp.com. For additional information about 853 Brown Road, please contact Tim V. Tran of the Ivy Group or visit www.853brownrd.com. Thank you.